Our next question is about a 5-year-old girl with autism. The child says less than 10 phrases on her own and starting to really imitate what other people say. The child really likes spicy sauces. And so the problem is giving her any kind of spicy sauce is not going to be effective. Now, I should preface that by saying this parent's trying to teach the child to answer no. So the parent right now is trying to find other things the child may not like in a separate program regarding kind of any other food that she may dislike. For the parent, it seems kind of off to be like, okay, feeding the child something they dislike to teach them the no. Can we teach no without using food is the parent question. So yes, of course there is. But see, just like waiting, when we're teaching no and yes programs, what we do is we use food. Why? Because we can control the portion of the food, right? So when we have a child wait, we don't have them wait for something large. What we do is there's one M&M. Oh, there's one thing that they're waiting for. And we're having them wait in the beginning, maybe a second, maybe 2 seconds, maybe up to 5 seconds. However, what happens is I can practice it a lot of times and the child's not going to get full from it. You can technically teach it with other things that the child doesn't like, anything else that the child doesn't like, and you're teaching them to say no so that they don't have to engage in those things that they dislike. But when you're dealing with activities, it's a lot more complicated. Why? Well, if they don't say no, you have to make them do the activity. And how long is that going to take? So for me, this is just more of a matter of logistics. Now, if there's certain noises she doesn't like, certain sounds, certain other kind of things, you can use those too. Why? Because it's an implementation you can control and limit.